What is it?
A camera.
A camera. Good job.
Can you show Daddy?
I got a new camera.
You got a new camera.
Yeah.
Show Daddy.
Look.
Cool.
My person will open that one.
Place it over there.
Let's play. Daddy,
Mm-hmm.
I want to see it. Ooh. Nice. Oh, chest. Oh, wow. Look at me.
What are they?
Baseball.
Baseball.
Oh. Oh, do you like it?
Yeah.
Okay. Now open the next one.
Oh, that one. Oh, that way, Bobby. Oh, wow. Boy, baseball. That's boy baseball.
What's that? Look at that. What is that? Right there.
Baseball.
Baseball. It's Pez.
Baseball fish.
Cool.
About it at your house.
Yeah.
What else was there?
What else you got?
What were those?
I don't know.
We'll pick them up.
Oh. The baseball.
They're baseball. Yeah, it's a baseball hoodie. Oh. And it's a baseball shirt. This shirt's cool.
Yeah.
You can wear this today if you want.
Wow, this one.
That one's from your Auntie Boo.
Yeah,
Can you say Auntie?
itchy. Why is it open?
Okay.
I try it. Oh,
Ryan, what's on the wrapping paper?
I don't know how.
I
Oh.
don't know how.
I won't open. Oh, wow. So, it runs.
Oh, wow, look. Look who's on your shirt. That's Snoopy. And Woodstock. And look at this one. Is that Snoopy with the mustache?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's that one.
Okay, let's pick up all your trash. And
Can you say
Look at the
thank
camera.
you?
Look at the camera, Ryan. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Say thank you, Grandma.
Thank you, Grandma.
Say thank you, Grandpa.
Thank you, Grandma.
Say thank you, Auntie Boo.
Thank you, Auntie Boo.
Say thank you, Uncle Robert.
Thank you, Robert.
Nice try.